So gold just hit a record high, and you guys know this gets my blood pumping while I sit here in the bunker, hunkered down and watching my stacks continue to increase in value. But we haven't even really started the rally yet. Today I'm going to talk about that and get into where we're at, where gold's going. How high can gold really go? I'll get into that in just a second, but let's break down what is exactly going on here. So as I sit here today, gold just obliterated the $2,300 an ounce number. It went through it like a hot knife, slicing through a warm stick of butter, if you ask me. I watched it on the charts. You can look at it yourself. The stock market is overinflated, and a lot of people think it's about to make a massive correction. Go back and watch my past videos. I've predicted this many, many times over the last few months, and I feel like it's getting a lot closer than people actually want to believe. We are on the cusp of it, ladies and gentlemen. Americans are looking for a place to park their wealth ahead of this move, and gold has been the gift that just keeps on giving. Yes, like Santa Claus himself. Now, with the turmoil in the world right now is the time. The stock market is a house of cards, if you ask me, and many people can point to this, including billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg, who are heavy into gold. He just built a $270 million bunker in Hawaii and is said to be an absolutely massive gold stacker. This bunker that Greg and I live in is comfy, and I love it. But a $270 million one with a gym and 30 rooms and everything else he put into it, that sounds like someone who really thought things out and thinks we are in tough times. So if you ask me that, yeah, I think he knows what he's doing. So back to where we can go from here with gold. There's a few opinions out there. JP Morgan came out and reported that they feel $2,500 an ounce is imminent. The reasons they gave are in my last video, so go back and watch that one if you haven't already. Carly Garner, the co-founder of DeCarly Trading, believes that gold prices may reach $2,600 an ounce and even push higher from there. Goldman Sachs has it going up as well. So 3 pretty big minds out there predicting that gold's going to go on this bull run, as it's already been in one. Now, one Moonshot prediction by Robert Kiyosaki, the author, has it going to $75,000. Now, that's only if we hit a full-on recession and have a very turbulent election, he said in past quotes. But to me, those don't really have that long of odds of happening. Those both could very much happen. And look, at the end of the day, I don't have a crystal ball. I wish I did. If you guys have one for sale, comment below. I'll buy it. I'll want it. Top dollar. Like, I'll bid right now for your crystal ball. I wish I had it. But in all seriousness, know that I told you to start diversifying when gold traded around $1,800 an ounce. And look where we are now. A massive run already, and it's continuing to go up. I also told you Bitcoin was in play at $38,000. But I know Bitcoin is like cilantro. It's an acquired taste for everybody. Some people love it, some people hate it. Now, most of you probably have a solid foundation in your retirement. I know I do. I've been saving since I was 18 years old. There's links below if you want to discuss putting 5, 10, or even 20% of your retirement savings into gold, even if it's just to wait out this economic uncertainty and election we have coming up. To me, I sleep better at night knowing that I did that. And again, for all honesty, I got in around $1,800 an ounce when I started doing it. Now around $2,300 an ounce. But look at the forecasts out there. And look what the stock market is at right now. Could it correct and go way down? Absolutely. Just look at it. It's bound to happen. We've been on this bull run for a few years now, ever since the COVID era passed and Biden started printing money. Now everyone has this rosy picture. Meanwhile, credit card debt's at an all-time high. We're in yet another war. We've got this election coming up. It's very rare that gold and the S&P trade at all-time highs. It's happening right now. Even Bitcoin's near an all-time high right now. So it's a very wild world we live in. Imagine what gold will do when the stock market tanks. This is where people are going. Mark Zuckerberg, Jamie Dimon, other people are all selling their stocks and getting into alternative assets. So protect yourself, watch yourself. That's today's update. We just sliced through that $2,300 an ounce. A lot of people think we're going higher. I'm one of them people. I'll check you in the next video.